Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and get more survivors in Dark War Survival. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get more survivors in Dark War Survival. So to get more survivors in Dark War Survivals, you need to upgrade your dorms to increase your survivor capacity. If your dorms are full, no new survivors can join. So as you can see here, we have dorms. I have here the names of the dorms. So dorms 3, 6, 5, as you can see, 4. I have them all around here, which you need to, of course, go and click on and upgrade the dorm as you can see like this. Then the capacity of the dorm will jump and then you will have more of them there, which is the, of course, something that you would of course want. That's the first thing. You can of course wait for daytime, so new survivors appear outside your shelters during the day, so you can do it like that. Upgrade your watchtower. So here we have the watchtower in the middle, as you can see. You can go and upgrade it as you progress, since higher watchtowers levels unlock additional dorms and increases your maximum population. So you can then click on it and upgrade that. Of course, you have requirements what you need for the upgrade, and you can upgrade that one also. If survivors are waiting outside but cannot be recruited, try restarting the game. Some players have reported a fix and bug that prevents the recruit button from working. One more tip: if you have empty beds but no new survivors arriving, make sure you have enough food and check for the recruit icon during the daytime. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.